If you need to recover your Apple Music account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.com. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the login page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will take you to the recovery options for your account. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address in the designated field. This is the email associated with your Apple Music account. Click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Choose Recovery Options. Since you don't have access to your phone number, select the option to receive an email for account recovery. Apple will send a verification email to the address linked to your Apple ID. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Check your email for a message from Apple. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to access your Apple Music account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.